Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tech Motoring Pit Stop. Today we're going to be doing a restore on these lenses here on the front end of this car. As you can see, they're pretty fogged up and definitely have a coating over them that's restricting the light to come through them. So we're going to go ahead and give this a quick restore job today. I wanted to do this restore before we did a review on this car so we can make it look as good as possible. So here we go. We're just going to do a quick step-by-step and see how it comes out in the end. So stay tuned. So the kit I'll be using today just uses a couple different solutions and compounds and uses some sanding pads like this. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial going through it just to see, and we're going to take some close-ups of the progress as we go through. So let's get to it. So the first step is actually just to clean the lens. So I just threw some water onto a cloth and I'm just going to give it a good clean to get any little loose debris off of it. So that's what we're going to start with. Now, as you can already tell, I already masked it off, and that's basically just to protect the paint from when you're using the pads. Obviously, you don't want to miss and then hit your paint with the pad, so that's why you just kind of mask it off real quick to protect any of your body panels. So the next step is actually just to use this compound that comes with it. So this is just like a standard compound that you would use to get any surface level debris and sediment off. Now these lenses, they fade over time just for being exposed to the elements out in the sun, being on the front of the car and constantly getting hit by any type of debris that comes its way. So that's why this happens over time. So it's always good to restore your lenses. It actually does help with the brightness of your headlights. So let's apply some compound here. And then they say just to buff it out with a terry cloth real quick, a microfiber cloth. Now that actually did a pretty good job of just smoothing out the lens and making it a little bit better. You can already tell it's improving. What we're going to do is we're actually going to move on to the next step. I can still feel some imperfections in the lens here, so I'm going to keep going with this. What we're using now is a spray lubrication for the lens. Basically this is just to keep it the sanding pad wet as we're using it. It's basically just like sanding. And just very lightly, you don't want to apply too much pressure because you don't want to actually scratch the lens. And you can definitely tell that further towards the front of the car is actually where it's worse. You can feel that there's just a lot more bumps right there. So we're going to work this area more than the rest of the lens. Try to smooth this out as best as possible. And you just want to check it once in a while to make sure that it's actually smoothing out. Once again, you don't want to go too much because then you might actually start scratching the lens. That feels pretty good now. I think we got it. Let's move on to the next step. Okay, so the next step, we're actually just going to keep moving down the chain of the sandpaper that it comes with, so it gets less aggressive as time, which obviously will smooth out the lens as we go. So next we're just going to keep moving on. We're just going to keep spraying to keep it lubricated, and we're going to keep wiping it down with these pads. So let's keep going. So now we're moving on to the next step. Now this is just a slightly less abrasive, so once again we're just trying to smooth the lens out. Final step, the back side of the pad is actually now the smoothest, so this is more of just trying to buff it out. Now we're just going to use a cotton cloth and clean this up a little bit, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, so now this actually looks a lot better already. So what we're going to do next, we're actually going to go back to using that compound that we initially used, and that compound is going to help take out all the little scratches and everything that we may have put in from sanding it. Now this is already smooth, so this is much better than it used to be. So we're going to go ahead and see what the compound does now. Okay, so now that we worked the compound in, we're going to go ahead and follow up with just a microfiber cloth to try to buff it out a little bit better. And let's see how it comes out. Well, there you go. It's pretty much a finished product there. As you can see, it is a lot better than it was. Now, it's impossible to get out all the small micro scratches that might be in there. Plus, there can also be some wear underneath of the lens. So it's not always on the outside. It could also be on the inside. So you're never going to get everything out. But as you can see, it looks a lot better. Let's go ahead and do the other side now and see how that comes out. So the last thing they want you to do is put on the sealing wipe, and this is actually supposed to prevent any type of discoloration or fading. So we're going to put this on, and it takes about 24 hours to cure. So we're going to go ahead and make sure we try not to touch this lens or expose it to too much the next 24 hours. Well, everybody, I hope that helped you out, just to show you that you can restore your headlight lenses just by spending a few minutes with them and showing you that it can come out really good. This will be better for nighttime driving when you have your headlights on as well. It will allow extra light to come out of this lens, so it's definitely also safety that you do something like this. So check out your headlight lenses and see if yours are in need of a good cleaning. Now, I just use the basic Turtle Wax Headlight Restore Kit. This works okay. This is not to show you that you should get this one. You can go and get pretty much any of those headlight restore kits out there. There are like these that come with the abrasive pads that you use to actually sand down the lens a little bit. You also get ones that don't require any sanding whatsoever. You spray them on, let them sit for a while, and then just kind of buff it out, and it actually does clear the lens. It maybe won't smooth it out as much, but it'll definitely clear the lens for you. So there are different options out there depending on how badly yours are. Now, these were not too bad, these were okay, but I wanted to do something that was going to be a little bit more permanent for them. This will last a few years and make sure that they stay clear and also look nice on the car. Take a look at your headlight lenses and see if you need to clean yours, and if you do, well, go ahead and give this a shot. It doesn't take very long, maybe 10 minutes aside. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video. See us at techmotoring.com. We are also on facebook.com/techmotoring, and of course Twitter @techmotoring. I'd like to thank you again for watching, and don't forget, welcome to the future, welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you on the next episode.